Why does your scanner show the P052B engine code? What does it mean? P052B is a diagnostic trouble code for cold start, a camshaft position timing over bank 1. P052B engine code indicates that the PCM monitored an overly variable valve timing position for camshaft timing on bank 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty sensors, timing chain issues, VVT actuator issues, oil issues, circuit issues, debris, solenoid issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford and Pontiac, including Bronco full-size and Firebird models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.